Hello my lovelies, I came to have a look at the flowers and whether they need a little extra water. Found the bees of course, but look what I found as well. Just thinking how amazing nature is. I've got this lovely little ant, and obviously recognizing that the petals of the salvia is a food source, and he's trying his very best to pull this wherever he thinks it's going to fit in, because it's definitely not going to fit in a hole to the nest. I just love the enthusiasm of nature. How beautiful. Looks like he said, too big, but he'll be back. Anyway, I thought I'll share this with you. It's just so beautiful to see. And the bees are still out. It's a cool autumn afternoon, but they're still making the most of the available pollen. Beautiful.